Do you want to read it?
More than 3 years later, talking about it still takes its toll.
Curly hair like you too. You feared for your life. Even when you say that, I get chills still. I didn't think I was going to make it out that day.
The hours-long beating at the hands of her ex, so severe, the responding police officer couldn't believe his eyes.
He said other than one woman lying in a pool of her own blood, he'd never seen anybody in that type of state. That's you walking.
Patrizia Giampaolo found the strength to navigate the court system and press charges. That fact could now help other women because of a new law.
There is still a crisis of domestic violence.
Alberta is one of several provinces implementing Clare's law. Not only can victims ask if their partner has a history of domestic assault, police can also decide to tell them if they see a risk. One problem, this violence is a notoriously underreported crime. The stigma paralyzes many, especially in minority communities. Humaira Falak works with victims to fight that reluctance to speak out. She's also been through it herself.
This is like emergency protection order.
A thick police file for 5 years of constant abuse with 2 kids she feared losing.
In that case, if there is no record, Clare's law won't really help. But that doesn't mean that it should not be there.
For police, it's a balancing act as provinces are still working out how much to divulge.
We want to make sure that we provide the information in a responsible way, but we also want to balance privacy of the people that they're making application on.
He says there will be extra support to help victims process any information they receive. That's essential for Patrizia Giampaolo. As unsure as she is about how the law will work, she sees it as an important tool to help women trying to find a way out of a vicious cycle of abuse. Salima Shivji, CBC News, Calgary.